All right, welcome back everybody. With regards to today's beautiful weather, all right, the wind was a bit of a pain out there, but can't really beat that. I mean, what a beautiful shot here from guys who are looking at the Highwood Mountains, everything greening up here, snow melting in the mountains. Our shot from Helena out around Hauser Lake, looking off towards the south at the Spokane Hills right there. 73 degrees, still some wind gusts approaching 40 miles per hour. Looks awfully pretty around Great Falls right now, current reading of 70, west winds gusting up to 35. A little issue with the current temperatures out there, but we're in the 60s and 70s all across the state. Look at some of the wind speeds, wind gusts here. Wind speeds are lower, but still some gusts approaching 40 miles per hour out there. On the radar, we've got just a couple of isolated showers here. One moving right along the High Line here. Fort Belknap, watch out around the Dodson area and the old Wilkie Ranch there, and then heading up over around Malta, could have that shower headed off towards the east around the Sweetgrass Hills. Got a couple of isolated showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. A lot more activity off towards the north here, and most of this will stay up towards the north. And here's a look at the big picture. It's just some showers and thunderstorms down along the Gulf Coast. Nothing too unusual for this time of year. But back here in Montana, most of that wet weather will stay off towards the north here. However, tomorrow we may get a couple of showers off the Rocky Mountain front out through about the Great Falls area here. Just a couple of brief little showers, nothing really that crazy to deal with here. But heading into Thursday, beautiful day, mostly sunny skies. Temperatures very comfortable. Into Friday, this is when things start to really warm up here. With that warmth, though, we'll pop a few thunderstorms over the southwestern mountains through the afternoon and the evening, and then heading into Saturday, deja vu, some heat and some afternoon thunderstorms will be firing. Sunday, we could have scattered thunderstorms here throughout most of the state, not just confined to the mountains, and even into Monday. Could have a couple of thunderstorms popping in the afternoon. Here's the forecast for tonight. Temperatures down into the 30s and the 40s for most locations. A couple of holdouts right there at around 50 degrees, but a pleasant night. No issues with any frost or freezing out there. Here's the forecast for tomorrow. Looks like a really nice day. Slightly cooler across the north central part of the state here, down into the 60s for highs, but the rest of Montana staying into the 70s here. And the wind, not even that much of an issue here for tomorrow. For Thursday, it's a gorgeous spring day. 60s in a few spots, 70s for most of us here. And if anybody's traveling over to Missoula, 81 degrees. Don't worry, those 80s will be traveling east as we get into Friday. Helena up to 84, Bozeman at 84. Look at Livingston and Roundup right there at 80 degrees as well. A couple of these thunderstorms will fire in the afternoon and the evening, and then into Saturday we go. Look at some of this heat. Mid to upper 80s, Missoula even 91 for the afternoon high on Saturday. Watch out for some scattered showers and thunderstorms later in the day. Here's the 7-day forecast, and next couple of days, still spring-like here and beautiful, but heading into the weekend, that's when the temperatures will really start to climb. 90 maybe pushing it for Helena on Sunday, but it will be a much warmer day here. And then for Great Falls, a slight chance for a shower tomorrow. Temperatures through the 60s and the 70s all the way through Friday. And then even in Great Falls and the High Line will pop up into the 80s here this weekend. Slightly cooler, but a few thunderstorms will continue for the early part of next week. But temperatures up into the 80s to around 90 degrees. Some towns hitting 90 for maybe the first time since early September of last year. Andy?
Looking forward to it. Thanks for that, Curtis.